Hi Weddle Wolves, it's Ms. Lund for our weekly virtual assembly. I always enjoy getting to do these each week and being able to connect with you. We're going to continue these through the summer, but they're not going to be weekly. They won't be quite as often, but it'll give us a chance to connect with our Weddle community until we can see each other again. My first topic to talk about today is a huge thank you to our families and our parents for all of your help with distance learning. You have taken on a role in helping teach your children, and I appreciate that so much. You've learned how to figure out technology, you've learned how to teach lessons, you've done that, many of you, with multiple students at multiple grade levels and schools, and I just am so thankful that you have been able to do that and in this really stressful time. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to parents, aunts, uncles, grandparents, siblings, friends, everybody that helped support during this time. I don't know what next year is going to look like. There's a few possibilities, and that's going to be decided by our governor. So we might be coming back to school in person, we might be continuing with distance learning, or we might do a combination of those things. We're not going to know until probably later in June, and so you'll be hearing about that probably in the news and from our school district. We will go with whatever our school district and our governor decide. I really hope that it's going to be in person because I miss everyone so much, but I also want everyone to be safe and healthy, so we'll do what we need to do to make that happen. Now, talking about our fifth graders, I want to take a short little minute to recognize our fifth graders that are going to be leaving us and going on to middle school next year. You're not going to be far away, you're just going to be at Claggett, most of you, and so I know that you can come over and say hi, but I wanted to say that I wish you the best and wish you well, and that I'm going to miss seeing you every day. We'll have a celebration next week, but I wanted to let you know I've been thinking about you. Finally, really importantly, probably most importantly, is I wanted to mention that as you know, it's been a really challenging week in our country. There have been a lot of protests happening, people being really angry and rightfully so about some events that have happened in our country, about people not being treated fairly. And I wanted to let you know I've been doing a lot of thinking about that and thinking about our families of color and thinking about our students of color and how this must feel for you. I have been thinking a lot about what we can do at school to make sure that everyone feels welcome and safe at our school. And we're talking about that as a staff, and we're going to be talking about that with parents too, about how we can make sure that our school provides opportunities for everyone. And I want to make sure that we celebrate the differences that we have and that those make us special, and that our school feels safe and welcoming, where all wolves come and they work together. Finally, you have a couple of days left of school. You have school on Monday and Tuesday, and then you have summer break. And so I hope that you enjoy saying your goodbyes next week and that you have a wonderful summer. I will miss you, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.
Mr. Graham, Cowboy Z, Wolfie, it's so good to see you!
So good to see you guys. I'm so happy. I wish we could be closer, but we should probably not be since we don't have our masks. How have you guys been doing?
Oh, it's so good to see you, Mr. Graham, Miss Ricketts, and Wolfie. I've been using the tools that you guys have showed me, And the zones of regulations has helped me a lot during this time.
I've been in the blue zone. I've been really tired and bored because there's been nothing to do. So what I've done is I've started calling my friends, and I get to see my class every day online, and that's really helped me feel better.
I found that I'm in the yellow zone. I've been feeling worried and scared, so I've been coming out on nice long walks, and that's really helped. And I've been using my patience tool, and I've found that I'm strong enough to wait even though it's really hard.
And I've been in the red zone a lot. Been really angry and upset during this time, but thank you, Mr. Graham, for teaching me about the different tools I can use, and Miss Rick is teaching me stuff like zones of regulation and using yoga, and Wolfie, you're just the best friend I've ever had. I want to thank you all so much for helping me keep myself into the green zone when I get red.
Thanks for a great year, Weddle Wolves.
Stay safe.
Have a great summer!
Bye.
Hello, Weddle Wolves. Mr. Graham here with Mrs. Graham and with Sage. We are going to play a minute to win it game that I'm going to call Watermelon Fruit Ninja. We have cards right here, regular playing cards. So if you have some of these, you could play at home. Just make sure you eat the watermelon afterwards. We are going to see who in 1 minute, timer's right over there, can stick the most cards in their watermelon. Okay, you have one Mr. Graham here, Sage is in the middle, Mrs. Graham on the end. It doesn't matter who throws it, it's whatever watermelon gets the most. So let's see who will win. Sage, here are your cards. Let's see how he does. All right, and Mrs. Graham, there are yours. If we run out, we can go and get more. You can run after him and get more if your time is still on. All right, Mrs. Graham, you ready?
Ready.
All right.
Your mark.
And
Get set. Go.
oh, one to Sage. Sage is winning. 1-0. Oh, does that one count? Oh, Mrs. Graham. Oh! Oh, Sage is too! Oh, I took my sign off. How much time we have? Oh, 36 seconds. Oh, there we go. Come on. Okay, I gotta get some more cards. I'll be back. You can still Sage's cards, I approve.
Okay.
Okay, come back. 20 seconds. Oh, I knocked one out. No. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, Sage.
Sage is 3. Good job, Sage. 3, 2, 1. Time. All right, let's go take a look right here. We have Mrs. Graham. You had more than one at one point, didn't you?
I don't think so.
Oh, Mrs. Graham with 1. Sage, oh, you got knocked one out. Sage has 2, and Mr. Graham, that one looks like it's in with 4. All right, I hope you enjoyed this game. Maybe you can try it sometime at home. Oh, down there. Bye, Weddle. Thanks for watching.
Mrs. Fairley. I'm thankful for you, Weddle parents and other grown-ups. You stepped up to the plate during a difficult time and became part of our teaching team. We love your kids, we love to educate, and we're so grateful for you.
Hola padres de familia de la escuela Weddle. La maestra Cho aquí. Solo quería tomar un minuto para agradecerles todo el gran esfuerzo y apoyo que han brindado este año escolar, especialmente durante el tiempo de aprendizaje a larga distancia. Espero verlos muy pronto y espero que estén bien y disfruten su verano. Adiós.
Hola padres de familia, muchísimas gracias por todo lo que hicieron. Hicieron un excelente trabajo. Me quito el sombrero, la verdad que muy bien. Y pues los voy a extrañar a ustedes y a los niños más. Hasta luego.
Thank you parents and families for all of your support during distance education. I hope you guys have a great summer. Take care.
Hola familias de Weddle, gracias por todo su apoyo este año escolar en la escuela, al igual que a través de las computadoras. Gracias por trabajar como un gran equipo con nosotros y por su paciencia esta primavera con el aprendizaje a la distancia. Esperamos que tengan unas felices vacaciones y nos vemos en el otoño. Adiós.
Thank you, parents, for all you did in this end of the year, and thank you for partnering with us. We really appreciate it. Have a great summer.
Hello, Weddle families. Miss Fox here. Just wanted to send you a quick thank you and tell you how grateful I am and we all are for your patience, your flexibility, and your support this year. So grateful for your partnership. Thank you so much.
Thank you, parents, for all that you've done this year. We definitely are teamed with you, and we can never get as much done without you. So thank you again for all your help, your support, and have a great summer. I can't wait to work with you guys more next year.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Johnson. I wanted to give a big shout out and say thank you to all the families and especially the parents who helped their students through all this distance learning. I know it was a daily struggle to help your students and it was really hard. As a parent myself, I went through those struggles as well. My son really had a hard time, but we made it through, so good job and thank you so much. I also wanted to thank you for supporting us teachers, having open communication, being willing to help your students, and supporting us, letting us know we're doing a good job. That was extremely helpful to help us get through this. So again, I just really want to say thank you for everything you've done during distance learning.
Estimados padres y tutores de nuestros estudiantes de Weddle, les estoy muy agradecida por todo el apoyo que han brindado a nuestros estudiantes durante nuestro tiempo de aprendizaje a la distancia. Los hemos extrañado bastante y ojalá que pronto nos veamos de nuevo. Los extraño, los quiero mucho y les deseo unas felices vacaciones. Hasta pronto.
Thank you, Weddle parents. It's been a crazy end of the year. Thank you so much for your support and your help with your children's education. We really appreciate it, and you rock.
Gracias familias de Weddle por todo su apoyo este año y ojalá los vemos en el otoño. Thank you parents, Weddle families for all your help this year and support, and we look forward to seeing you in the fall. Take care.
Thank you, Weddle parents, for everything that you have done for your children during distance learning. This was no small feat with your own job and responsibilities. We couldn't have done this without you. Thank you so much. You are truly the superheroes.